In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Roku remote to your Roku device. Whether you're setting up a new Roku device or just need to reconnect your remote, this guide will help you do it in a few simple steps. Step 1. Install batteries. Start by inserting the correct batteries into your Roku remote. Make sure the batteries are placed with the correct polarity. Step 2. Turn on Roku device. Next, turn on your Roku device and ensure it's plugged in and working. Your TV should display the Roku home screen. Step 3. Pairing the remote. For Wi-Fi remotes, both standard and voice remotes, turn on your TV and Roku device. Press and hold the pairing button inside the battery compartment of the Roku remote. Hold it for about 5 seconds until the status light on the remote begins flashing. Your Roku device should automatically detect the remote, and the remote will pair. Wait a few seconds for the remote to connect. For simple IR remotes, these don't require pairing, so simply point the remote at your Roku device and it should work immediately. Step 4. Test the remote. Once paired, test the remote by pressing buttons like volume, power, or navigation to ensure it's functioning correctly. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.